Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.